What's going on, everyone? So today we are going to be taking a look at another video on TradingTop and how exactly it works. So we've been really looking at gold. If this is your first time taking a look at this video and you're just like curious of how this AI is working, TradingTop AI. So let's take a look at the free version first of it, like what you get, and then we take a look at the premium version and see why do you really need the premium version. So for example, it has different interfaces. Okay, so you have the home section, and then on the home section you have the signal center, which is the most important part, the signal center, whereby you can be able to come here and see different trade ideas and signals. Actually, no, this is not the most important part. The most important part is the AI signal part. Okay, so this is where we'll come and take a look at trade ideas. So on this AI signal, you're able to come and click getting AI signals. And when you click getting AI signals, what you'll be able to have here, for example, you'll be able to have 3 trials. Okay, you'll be able to have 3 trials that you can be able to use to actually generate trade ideas, to be able to test and see how powerful the AI is. Okay, how powerful the AI is. So for example, let's have the free trial, and let's say, for example, you want to trade Euro USD. Okay, we'll just come and click the Euro USD, and what the AI will do, it will analyze the market. So right now it's analyzing the market. It will be able to take a look at the fundamentals. It will be able to take a look at the technicals. It will be able to give you the fundamental technicals, and also it will be able to look at the entries, stop losses, and take profit. So what is happening here? I remember the first time when I had it, I was actually getting a little bit confused because I thought the market has already played out. No, this is the market here. Okay, this is the market here. So what is happening is this is a replay. Okay, this is a simulation of what the AI is expecting the market to do, or what the AI is expecting the market to play out, how it's expecting the market to play out. So if we go on TradingView, for example, just to be able to confirm what exactly I'm telling you, let's get into TradingView so that you can be able to see. I'm just explaining to you this so that when you get it, even on your free trial, you don't get confused. The first time I was really confused. I really did not know how to use it. So this will be of great help on how to use the trading AI. All right. So let's take a look at, let's come here and we'll be like, okay, so here is sell to 90% accuracy. So this is a very, very good sell. You take the coordinates. Okay, you take the coordinates. Let's take a look at where exactly the sell is expecting to come from. Okay, so that is where the sell is expecting to come from. So if you take a look at this, it's telling you that price has been able to drop up to this area, and then price is expected to pull back here. Okay, so here's the thing: price has been able to drop, and price has been able to pull back to this area. All right, so if price has been able to pull back to this area, you can be able to see. Let's maybe go to the lower time frame here, like on the 30 minutes time frame. You can be able to see this is a live trade playing out now. Okay, so this is what has happened here. This is the drop here. Okay, after the drop here, this is the retracement here, and then price now is dropping. This is the retracement here. Then price now has been able to tap that area, and price is able to drop. Okay, so for me, guys, what I usually do is, in situations like this, I usually look at this as my entry. Because the AI will give you a very big stop loss. Okay, but it will give you still 1:2. Let's take a look at the stop loss. So the stop loss is here. Okay, just to make sure that you guys are protected. The AI gives you kinda a wider stop loss. So let's put it there. Okay, so this is where the stop loss is. Okay, so with the stop loss, if you take a look at the target two, let's put in the target two, you'll be able to see that on the target two, this is where the target two is. Okay, so if you take a look at this whole area, take a look at this whole area, let's see, from the entry to stop loss to the target two, you'll be able to see that this is a risk of -2. Okay, so but what I do is, because I know this is where the entry is, all I'll do is I'll just wait for like a break of this zone here, something like this, a break of this zone here. Okay, when I have a break of this zone here, what I will do is I will, after having a break of that zone, what I will do is I will have my entry here, and after having an entry here, I will actually have my stop loss above this zone. When I have my stop loss above that zone, I'll be able to have now a 1:2 dropping all the way up to that zone. So that's how I usually use it. So let's take a look at a premium version. So on the premium version, what will happen is, on the premium version, you'll be able to have to see that you are able to receive signals, okay, premium signals before they play out. Like for example, this one you've been able to see, you have come here and you have found that this trade has actually played out. Okay, so now on the premium version, you get email updates. For example, right now we're able to get an email update. For example, we're able to get a gold trade idea and it's telling us to short. Okay, not to short, but short means that it's a short-term trade idea that is supposed to move. So when I come here, I'll be able to click on gold and I'll be able to take a look at when was this trade idea shared. It was been able to be shared 16 minutes ago. So if it's 16 minutes ago, we take a look at the trade idea and we see where is it going. So remember the replay that I've told you here, we're expecting price to come to this area for it to continue dropping. Okay, so we'll be able to go and take a look. And guys, this is what I usually do now on my premium community. I usually come take a look at this analysis for those people who have just even the free AI that they're actually testing, just for them to have an experience of just exactly what is happening. Okay, so I will come now. Let's take a look at where the end, where it's telling us the entry will be. Okay, so that is where our retest is expected to be. So with that, for me, that's the only thing that I look at. That's the only thing that I usually wait for. Okay, I know if I'm putting the stop loss, let's see where the stop loss is. If I'm putting the stop loss all the way here, let's see, you're putting the stop loss all the way there. That, to be honest, I think for me, I'll be able to have this as my entry here. And if I have the stop loss above these areas, to be honest, if gold will break this area here, that's a reversal. But you'll just go for the stop loss straight. So I just need to have the entry here set up. And when I have the entry here set up, I will have my alarm set up as well. I will have my alarm set up as well. Okay, and when I have my alarm set up as well, I think that's the most amazing thing about this AI. So what I will do is I will go on the group and I will be able to share with them this trade idea. And all they need to do is now go and prompt the free version of the AI and it will give them this exact setup. Okay, it will give them this exact setup. So let's see, we put our signal there. Okay, where we're expecting price to actually drop. So we wait now, we wait. So what I'll be waiting for is I'll just be looking for a double confirmation here for me personally. When price comes here, I'll want to see it like just creating an engulfing 30 minutes candle, rejecting this area for me to be able to participate into the sales. Okay, for me to be able to participate into the sales. Such an amazing tool. And this is what I want you to do, guys. I want you to go to my YouTube description below, and that is where you'll be able to get access to a free trial so that you can be able to see how exactly it's going. Okay, let me show you. Come here on the YouTube description. So a few things that you want to do on the YouTube description. You'll want to come here. When you come here, you can be able to see there is TradingTop free trial. Click on that link, register, get access to your free trial. After you've registered and gotten access to the free trial, you can click and join my free WhatsApp channel. That is where I will be updating you on more information. All right, so I'll be seeing you on the other side. Have a good time. Be blessed. Always remember to hit that like button. All right, hit also the subscription button so that you can always be getting more updates on so that you can be able to be getting more updates on these amazing tools that I'm dropping for you guys, and so that you can be able to get more value. Subscribe, drop a comment if you have a question, and let me know how the AI plays out for you. Be blessed. Let's go.